The Islamabad Running Club has recently started workout at a park in Islamabad, with people from diverse age groups joining them. The group's sessions focus on different exercises necessary to develop muscles for running.
That the whole families, regardless of their ages, gender, anyone can participate in it. And it's not a race, it's not for winning. The purpose is to develop the stamina, the agility, and an overall love for sports and well-being. So the basic purpose of Islamabad Running Club is to promote a love for running in Pakistan. Running is something which is often ignored in Pakistan. It's not technically considered a sport.
In this modern age, you have games on cell phones, you have gaming consoles separately, and it's so much easier to just sit down and play the games. It's so much harder to motivate yourself and come out. But just imagine a kid just cycling down here and seeing like 15 odd people exercising, and that's the idea. You know, it gets instilled in the back of your mind. Maybe 2 days down the road, 3 days down the road, he might want to exercise at home, might want to pick up running just because he saw a couple of people running. And that's the basic principle, absolutely, to motivate others.
So the purpose is to encourage the people to come out as per SOPs and do some little bit exercise, and leave their comfort zones and to do some aerobics and exercise just to boost their, definitely exercise boosts the immunity, and it's really good for health. And this is just to encourage the guys and masses to come more and more to participate in outdoor activities, and to reduce the screen addiction and all that.